Okay, let's see what's hiding under the shed. And before we go, let's begin how to make this Clarabel's new friend. So it's very easy and simple. Just remove this screw under Annie or Clarabel, and it's the same basis. Let's remove the sticker. Take your time. You can dip it in water, let it rest in water for a couple minutes, and it will be easy to remove. Also, the side stickers, same. You can try with a fingernail or something else. It takes some time, but if you want to make a good model, you gotta take your time and don't rush. Now I'm cleaning with a rubbing alcohol that will get rid of the glue from the stickers, and I'm going to use these colors. Now, as you can see, I grab it around the windows with tape, and after 2 coats we have this result. So let's take our time and remove very careful the tape. I don't want to destroy the model paint, so I do not recommend this tape. I did not have any masking tape at the moment, so I use a regular tape, and here is a clear tape. This is better, much better than the other one. So the next one is ivory for the windows, and here is the result. Always remember, you gotta wait until the green color dries, so you gotta give it maybe 6 to 8 hours. Let it dry completely, or you will remove the paint with the tape. That's why I always recommend 8 hours. Give it maybe 12 hours just to make sure you don't have any problems. So if you have a complete dry paint, you will not have a problem to remove the tape. And look at this nice line that between the windows and the bottom. It's awesome. Also, the roof, I used to protect it because I will use a different color for that. We gotta match the color with the roof. So that's how it looks now. Pretty good, huh? Okay, for the next step, I'm gonna use dolphin gray. This is gloss dolphin gray for the roof, and we prepare the sides so we don't paint over. And we are gonna use our airbrush, and here is our result. Very clean job on the roof. So if you find a spray paint that matches the roof, go ahead and get whatever you can do, use it or find. I use these steps just for a demonstration because not everybody have access to the colors on every stores anyways. Alright, here are the printing process and cutting. Here I'm printing 4 stickers in a line. That's a set that will be included if you want to buy it. Remember, if you are out of US, you can send me a message on Facebook, direct message, and we can arrange shipping for out of US because it's a little bit expensive than local for US buyers. So once we are done, these are pre-cut and just to peel and stick like this. See, it might not look the same color, but it's close to the paint I used. See, it's the closest I could get. Alright, now let's put the chassis, the bottom part, whatever you want to call it. It's not really complicated, but remember you gotta wait until each color dries. Once you apply one color, you gotta wait so you can get a good result. See, it looks nice, clean paint. Not really perfect, but clean. What do you guys think? Good, huh? Alright, now if you want to make your own Clarabel's new friend like this, here are the stickers, the link in the description. Also, here's the paint I use, Gloss Spring Green. That's for the lower part, the bottom part on the coach. And as you can see right here, Gloss Ivory. Here's what I did for the top level right here for the windows, and for the roof, Dolphin Gray. That's the closest match for the roof on this model. Actually, it's for almost every model. This is here is the one I use. And again, if you want to get the stickers, link in the description. And if you still see the link for this model, this unique model, I always say don't buy it on eBay. But if you can, just do it at your home. But if you want to buy this specific model, also link in the description. It will be only 1 or 2 available. You can get this probably on eBay for 70 or 80 bucks. But as you know, I always cut the prices and beat the prices on eBay. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.